of stretching to do so that we all can get moving at home, you know. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to inhale and exhale. Again, inhale, exhale, and last one, inhale and exhale. There you go, hands on the hips and relax the shoulders, and then I'm going to rotate backwards and forward. Yes, there we go. Now I'm going to add my hands, my shoulders here, and rotate backwards and on the side, and reverse the other side. Awesome, guys. I'm going to twist side to side and keep breathing during the whole process. Inhale, exhale. 4 more. And last one. Good. Now here, hip rotations. And reverse the other side. Very good, everyone. Now we're going to go for the knees. Legs down, massage your kneecaps 2 more times, down, massage your kneecaps, and last one, down, massage your kneecaps, and let's point flex those feet to warm up the ankles over here, and switch side. There you go. One leg up and rotate, and reverse, switch side, rotate, and reverse, and inhale, and exhale, and then we go center, inhale, drop center, exhale, 2 more times, inhale, exhale, last one, inhale, and exhale with a smile. There you go. So now let's go for some stretching today. I'm just gonna go for light stretching. I'm gonna go backwards and hold that position for 10 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Stay there. Inhale, exhale. And round your back. Stay, breathe. I hope the music is loud enough for you guys. Stay there. 4, 3. Make round and round back. 2, 1. Go to the side. Stay there and breathe. Inhale, exhale. And switch side. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. And I'm going to go for the legs. I'm going to have 1 foot forward. Flex the toes up and lean to the front. Make sure that that leg is straight, like this. And I stay here a few seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes, a few more. And reach further downward. Stay. 4, 3, 2, and release the other side. Let's go over here. Bend forward. Breathe in, breathe out. And we're going to lean a little bit more. Stay. 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to keep that leg forward, 1 leg backward. And stay here. Hold that position. Breathe. Stay. And raise those hands up. Ooh, that's a nice one. I'm looking at that window here, and there's some trees. There's some birds flying. And you know, with what is going on, the sky is really looking good now. You can see the clouds very clearly. And let's switch foot over here. 1 leg forward, 1 leg backward. Stay, hold the position. wall I have painting, so it's really nice to look at as well. It's important, you know. And then come back center over here. Now I'm gonna go hands straight, and I'm gonna lean forward down and walk to the front a little bit. Keep your legs straight and stay here, feet a little bit together, and move those feet, lifting your ankles up and down. Okay, so if I go this side, I look like this, and I move my feet and keep my tailbone up to the sky, and I breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. And come back here and roll the shoulders up, one at a time. And inhale up, exhale down. Last 2, inhale up, exhale down. Last 1, inhale up. And center yourself. Inhale, exhale, hands here around the belly button. Breathe and inhale joy. Exhale peace. 2 last, inhale joy. Exhale peace. Last 1, inhale joy. And